Configuring an EveryDollar emergency fund is a crucial step in managing your finances effectively. EveryDollar is a budgeting tool that helps you track your income and expenses. And setting up an emergency fund within it can provide you with a safety net in case of unexpected expenses or financial setbacks. To start, log into your EveryDollar account and navigate to the budgeting section. Here, you will see a list of your income and expenses, as well as a section for savings goals. Click on the Savings Goals section and select Emergency Fund as the goal type. Next, determine how much you want to save in your emergency fund. A general rule of thumb is to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Consider your monthly essential expenses, such as rent, utilities, and groceries, and multiply that number by the number of months you want to save for. Once you have determined your emergency fund goal, enter the amount in the EveryDollar Savings Goal section. You can also set a target date for reaching your goal, and EveryDollar will calculate how much you need to save each month to reach it. In addition to setting a goal amount, you should also consider how you will fund your emergency fund. You can set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account, or you can manually transfer funds each month. EveryDollar allows you to link your bank accounts and track your transfers, making it easy to stay on top of your savings. It's also important to consider where you will keep your emergency fund. You will want to keep it in an easily accessible savings account, such as a high-yield savings account that earns interest but still allows you to withdraw funds when needed. By following these steps, you can configure an EveryDollar emergency fund that will provide you with peace of mind and financial security. Remember to review and adjust your emergency fund regularly to ensure it remains aligned with your changing financial needs and goals.